Nyamianim Ukraine, a very quick one on Michael Olise and the Chelsea. AC Kasem.
Oh,
Chakai. What is stopping up? One epe player, only kind of player in Kasa, and Sana on the club Nakasa. These clubs only complain when Usisium. So be to your moped, there's nothing like tapping up. Teachers invest can normal form player. It's as simple as that. When you are seeing a Bruce Ubia, what tapping up, so team this your report to you before tapping up.
Sikasem. Omunya ne mani.
And here 1 2. What is a player fairly medical and in na April? Do now become nice, Kassam.
I don't say it me.
Oh, do na. To me, feeling medical no ha, no a copper so team from. And you're 9 krona.
I know.
Oh, come on. Tinomo is Kassam. Some become on canon first canon. Crystal Palace both United, so Marco Busikebisono.
Yes.
And I say, maybe Chelsea indeed a due diligence on the player side, no, or release clause now, yeah, canon. But then good thing is that Romeo Lavia are rejected club. Michael Olise are rejected Pep Guardiola and Manchester City for Chelsea. 2 things. Omo coach on the Nkrane Kasa, he sells his vision, he has a pool. Or they are paying crazy money. Yeah. You see, football na Nkasa no there a train Nyoma Bebre. And my issue Nyoma Bebre. Now, one of the things football brings in Kabum and Uniado. Now, coaches now omu free Europe, aba England omu ye jumano. Say, ofa England teams now hona. Dodo na coaches ni free England omu free Europe. And aba be ye juma club. Fark, see, I'm also Fark elite.
Yes.
Koku fa Teta, fa Pep Guardiola. Koku fa Ode fa Ten Hag. I mean, Aston Villa coach. Unai Emery. Do na free baby never koku. Them say Mikel Arteta is creating a family feel around Arsenal. Na ya home kan. Much me David Raya ne unveiling na me hu say ne nana Joaquin ekura ne jersey no. I'm say enya ade bia eye foforo. Some say players no do sign contractor. Eya no more family members.
Yeah, no more, yeah.
The man way down so near Arsenal's decision to give the man prominence.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and your first time a player because side contractor, Nabusian phone in the HDNE. They made me player and the Debia Bama Jumia Bakayoko Nema and Papa. Or Chelsea. Until any other people be about Papa Neka said the biggest dream in here. I'll see a Tennessee. David Raya, he didn't David Raya Martin. Now, in Spanish naming system, no, Papa Nabusia for Dimbako. Na Oba Nabusia for Dimbako. Until Akrana no giving name, a dear the man here David. Name mama side no, and a Ryan. And a Martin if ni Papa side. Ne Papa side, ne the other din by and the Jina Hay Joaquin. And ne nana nebe Arsenal. He's at the forefront. And look, this is how you create a family feel around a football club. Sebi, and yet prime Ike Casillas asem na meka.
Oh, Debbie.
And yet prime Noya, Debbie. And yet Oliver Kahn asem na meka. David Raya Martin na nim no. Arsenal have decided to go away from the normal trend. Then among for papa normal projecting outside no be huno. And it is beautiful. It's a beautiful thing to see. Every boss now for now so David Raya came into your own paella. Abusia we in a Real Madrid supporting family.
Abusia we.
Oh we papa ni Real Madrid.
Amunyina Madrid for.
Your own paella. The man they break it through here 2018 now on the Blackburn Bar League 1.
Yes.
Then from there all called Brentford. And then the Moabe Brentford number 1. But first of all, they are Cosby national team.
Yes.
Now our Arsenal. I mean, it's a beautiful story. But Arsenal chose the moment to highlight 91-year-old Joaquin and David Raya and Nena.
Lumani Ajepa.
What the name?
Roadman Siru Cisses.
Yeah, problem here. Because you catch a kalu atara se na na wa ya ohunu no akwafa na bad na ba se omo mesan. Yen asem ni hian no ekuyen. Ti de wom no Ebe fan sir. No, me I say mini hand. I wanted to give an exposition for Liverpool problem loyalty man. Asem we ya
more honey loyalty man.
Ya kan nensesa. Na me ya say all of a sudden in some ayen be yet ya. Ni nim say Emba press mu no. People like Paul Joyce all times, one of them was credible, if not the most credible. It's painful, but Liverpool fans in Indian teams are no they wouldn't have been here. Free Liverpool team, they are leaving the club because their decisions are ignored. Me says I come here how much you know catch him say love your uncle Liverpool I'm catching no. And some of my catching him my catch Chelsea. It be unfair to leave the boy midstream. I'm compare dying in our Liverpool. Where January bed sabed no so more Liverpool no moon bed no. Americans and do music. So they should move on. There are diamonds and gems in there they can get. Their team is crying for number 6. They should move on and then get some. Saudi Arabia for no money abre.
Pa.
Now no meet you say and China no na monte ase. They have a plan. America Laporte. Only 30 years or so beko. Even Liverpool he would start.
Laporte.
As a left centre back.
Yes. Obebo.
Look a lot and he will improve them massively. And che they are na Laporte and Van Dijk near come once more.
Yes.
Ebra Alderweireld and Jan Vertonghen near come from. These were the two people we were mentioning all over the place. Or Saudi Arabia, you can say, legally binding assurances every Newcastle now man for say it has started unraveling. Kuku in September, Saudi Arabia friendly some ball St. James Park.
Wow.
That's the confirmation there.
Bon St. James Park.
Saudi Arabia. No. South Korea and Costa Rica. But look.
I don't know. Way now, Baby Chichi. One side the crime I'm very interesting is that the national collapse in the bar. America Laporte, Spain, Etihad, Anasa, Saudi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Portugal, Saudi, Anasa, Sadio Mane, Senegal. Ebe ya manaba beze. Baby you am league no mu be de pa.
Na o dey Dazen. Akoto right.
Yes.
Come on motor right no. Eventually ube bomb din. Ene eti Kumasi aye bomb din no. Eventually, you'd have to mention their name.
Sky for also come.
Eventually, also Bomudin. Eventually. And they are look, it's a well-crafted program. Yeah, Chim PIF, Nesanyo Manina. It's quite clear. I'm going to Roberto Mancini. Our winning European Championship. So I'm coach national.
Yes.
Look, just look at the markers they are putting down. It is what it is. Bam.
Hey, Nima.
Bam. Mamusa Ribelino. We be there sending. Floyd Mayweather as a legacy would not pay bills for you. Say who we are. Kojisi Kananako. Etifak Radio. Downtown Damam. And you want to frame you. Me na me from Paul Mucho. So na me so me dia me de ben. You do mu ntwa me kakra me my 6 months. Me we are. Omu ntwa me ka. Damam. Na
6 months that show.
Etifak Damam.
Oh, okay.
Radio. Yeah, call. Na aka 3 days. Na ye be di ebronya. World Athletics Championship, who need plane ticket a unkobi. Ghana who need visa unkobi. Athlete na inya visa na ona be dey. Nipa oko tu mikano. Wa unkobi na me say training na me dey. Yasem die yeah. The USA are having a problem. Kwaku World 400 meters defending champion Memano. Michael Norman. Yeah, that's sorry, ya normal and so pull out. Michael Norman. Oregon lead the marker. Now here Wade Van Niekerk and Mama can send and come peja. You know, expect to send Michael Norman be extraordinary. But look, injury has taken his toll on him. The first race this year now around June 6. Pra Edininya on to me. Another one to bite the bullet. Michael Norman's statement on the Babonteno clearly he speaks volumes about what these athletes are going through. He said Norman said there be on to me in defending the title no at the 2023 World Championship because it's been an extremely and not just frustrating no extremely frustrating season until better check no Olympic Games no so no.
Yes.
And Wade Van Niekerk is informed or a world record at the Olympic Games. Athletes be up a world record, but the perfect world record any the Donovan Bailey year or USA 1996 no. See you 2 Mika or USA. You expect Americans to never winning, especially in the sprint. Donovan Bailey for Canada baho. Ebe 200 meters world record. Olympic record. Osanya Olympic gold. US. Or the Shata Bibiao. Now the next thing say a year before 1996, 1995, I was Sweden, Gothenburg. A 1 year World Athletics Championship. No, Donovan Bailey win a World Championship. No, in the Atlanta 96. No, Donovan Bailey was world champion, but he needed the world record in enemy territory, and he chose the perfect platform in Atlanta, Georgia. Laid down the marker to the Americans. Or winning 100 meters, he had world record. Esa encore Canada team no to a 4x1 relay. And then no US for no cry. Their only consolation was Michael Johnson in the 200 meters. But Michael Norman cannot take the mantle. I'm on for prepra, and this paves way for Wade Van Niekerk. Say he's the eventual guy. Jamaica could do Budapest. Omuru Omu Hotel no na ya hom kan ye. Jamaica ankasa arrival no signal say pressure on man so.
Yes.
A member no modemono eco but a man ekrem. Kwaku Jamaica in the last 11 World Championship 100 meters on winning 8.
Last 11.
11 no.
Omaji 8.
8. Until look, they know say in Sherika Jackson, Shelley and Fraser Price, they are locked down with Shakari Richardson and in Marie Jose Talou for the 100 meters. Until no, I'm looking forward to how Jamaica would respond, but they've been ushered into their hotel 3 days to the end. Ura Budapest is here. You can feel the atmosphere and the frenzy around the World Athletics Championship. It is picking up. Seneya, Nike, Adidas, omo team, any players are omo sponsor omo. World Athletics is yes sir.
Yes.
Yeah, was sir. These kit manufacturing companies omo athletes omo sponsor. Now I said they are so visible. Ewo Budapest Chronum no. New Balance.
Yeah.
Omo athletes, they've unveiled them to the media. Billboard, banner, big ones. Sydney McLaughlin Levron, Oefen Kabul from the Netherlands, 400 meters hurdles. One of the main girls going into the competition. Anyone who ye Ufa Budapest is a New Balance. Honor that honor. Gabby Thomas, United States 200 meters, and a 4x1 relay. Also, anyone who ye pa. So we will challenge Sherika Richardson. Sherika Jackson, 200 meters cinema, on Shakari Richardson. Then Sydney McLaughlin Levron, also 400 meters world record holder, defending champion. It's painful, but they are really availing their people to say the New Balance sponsored athletes no or more. It's painful, but the Etienne on the World Cup amount for pra. It is yes, you could di brunya. Not say never, and your problem near Serebisa. No, you be do that, baby.
Yɛbɛkɔ kakra bi duo.
Okay.
Ɔmo mu di echi no. Ɔmo den sɛ pa bɛba. Apostle ana emfa. Say befa.
Oh please. It's good for us to go there participate, but yes, shouldn't be free, but yeah.
Yɛfa hwema.
They for free. Opa market.
Yɛfa hwema.
No.
We no.
Oh yeah for free.
Yɛwɔ form.
As a recent time we are proving senior boxing a Jew, I didn't a Jew. Boxing amateur boxing a Jew, crying the same.
Abazo Martin Meba me dinko. Why?